Hello everyone, this is I-TechCreator. Guys, in this video I'm going to unboxing this mouse. You can see guys from Amazon. This is the wireless mouse. So guys, let's unboxing for my personal use. Logitech M190 is the wireless mouse. So guys, now I will test it now. You can see guys. Wow. Wireless mouse. For buying, I will give the link in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share, and hit the bell icon for upcoming more videos.